Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to buy YesCoin on Bitget. Firstly, visit the Bitget website and log in or register for a free account. Verify your identity and enter your country. Once approved, you'll receive a confirmation notification. Now, navigate to the Buy Crypto, then Credit or Debit card. Select Add New Card under the Buy tab. Choose your preferred fiat currency and enter the amount you wish to spend, which is YesCoin. Link your credit card and complete the payment with no fees. Now, go to Buy Crypto, then Third Party. Follow the instructions to place a YesCoin order through the third-party services. All you have to do is to buy crypto from the third-party apps. And that's it, guys. All you have to do when you find a good seller, just finish the transaction and you'll have your YesCoin on your Bitget wallet. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.